All right, Gary, let's go cruising in a 1972 El Camino Super Sport, a real one even.
Yeah, it's a real Super Sport. It's documented.
That's right. We got the build sheet for this. It was in the door, so we got that out. It's a California car, since new, nice and rust-free, unique color. They only had this color for El Caminos and Monte Carlos of this vintage, and it's called Covert Tan. Kind of cool, you know. It's kind of like a muddy tan color.
Yeah, it has good pickup.
No, the motor's been rebuilt. It's got a bunch of power goodies, Gary was going to say.
Yeah, power windows, power door locks. I mean, I've never even seen an El Camino.
I know, cold air conditioning. They did add vintage air to it, so it's a better AC system.
It's upgraded.
Yep. And, you know, power steering, power disc brakes. It has a Posi-Traction 342 ratio, Posi-Traction 12-bolt rear end.
Yeah.
Got sway bars, too. Great car. This could be a total daily driver. Everything works on it.
AM, FM from the factory.
Yep. And it's got the Super Sport wheels with the BFG Radials.
Yeah, let's see how fast it is.
Let's go. Get on it. Oh, hold on. I'll go like this with the camera. Woo!
It's got a good pickup.
Not bad.
Yeah.
And it, you know, they changed the ratio in it from 273s, which was probably a total freeway flyer.
Oh yeah.
So now it's at least got a little bit more pickup.
Yeah, and it still gets on the freeway though, which is nice.
And I like it's all stock too. Steering wheel stock, radio stock.
Yeah.
You know, you can do your own thing to it if you want, but
yeah, she drives nice.
It's a nice driver. We'll come up here and take some pictures and some more video. Here's a cool one. We've had a few of these. This is a real one though. It's a real Super Sport. 1972 Chevy El Camino. Really unique color. They call it Covert Tan. It's the original color to the car. It's got matching interior, tan interior. It's got the black vinyl top. It's got the Super Sport wheels, the 5 spokes. Of course, all the SS trim. They went ahead and did a spray-in bed liner. The bed was very nice and straight though, but it makes it a little bit more durable if you do want to use it. I've had them with a painted bed and you don't even want to put anything back there. So at least this one you can. All the chrome is nice. It's got dual exhaust, sounds great. All the fender well trim is real nice. Nice thing about these cars too is you can get everything for this car. Every piece of chrome you can buy brand new. They reproduce it all. So you can always keep this car nice for a long time, just being able to get parts for it. But it's a 350, turbo 350 transmission, automatic. It's got a 12-bolt Posi-Traction differential with front and rear sway bars. I think it's a 342 ratio in it. It was changed. It used to be a 273, I think, according to the build sheet. But really clean. I'll show you the interior. Lots of options too for an El Camino. I mean, this thing has a tilt wheel, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power windows, power locks, AM, FM radio. They put an aftermarket gauges down below because they sure work a lot better than the factory lights, you know. And it's got a little tack on there. You don't have to have that. It's an automatic, but it's kind of cool if you like it. Headliner's in good shape, you know. Seats are nice, no rips or tears. Also has some really clean black carpeting with a nice little mat in there. But, you know, yeah, the dash has a couple cracks in it, I guess, but not too bad for the condition of the rest of the car. Pretty good looking car. Paint's a little older, it's got a couple flaws here and there, but as you can see in the pictures, going down the street, and nobody gonna notice. Here's the power plant in the 72 Super Sport El Camino. Pretty basic, just a 350 automatic transmission. This one even has a smog pump on it still, which we could take off, give you a little bit more power. But it's got power brakes, you can see that there. Updated vintage air, so it uses the new style Freon, and yeah, it works great. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Nice, smooth running small block. Runs nice and cool, super reliable. We'll go ahead and rock around the back for you so you can hear it. Has some nice chrome tips on there in the exhaust. Sounds good. Nice little hauler. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to see Gary and I. My name's Rich. California Cars, we're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. If you have any questions, we'll be happy to show you the car. Thanks for watching.